Go live. Ah, great, I'm now live. Okay, gonna be honest, I lied, or at least I hope I lied. I don't know why, but I just kinda expected to be able to install DaVinci Resolve and just edit my videos. Because since some point I started to actually edit videos, like a few videos ago, I started doing that. Maybe you have noticed. So I expected to be able to do that on Linux. The answer is no, not really. Mega not really. And that sucks. Basically, I'm looking for a way to edit videos right now, so I can actually do that and upload videos again. Because as it is now, I kinda can't. And going back to no editing, I don't know if I want that. After all, I have streaming for my like lower effort content, I guess. So I should edit, and I do like my videos edited more. And they're in a way easier to make, easier to record rather. So yeah, if any of you have suggestions for editing software on Linux, Debian to be more specific, please let me know. Now, what I want to do right now is pop out chat, and aside from that, let's make a new window rule so this appears always in the third desktop, first of all, and maximized, because it might as well be. Window title, really? Is that the entire window title? Hold up. No way, right? Like, it's just Mozilla Firefox. No, like, other stuff? I don't believe that. Hold up. Let's bring back the title bar. No, I guess not, because I forced it in one place, and it means that it's forced in every place. That's terrible. Fuck. Okay. Special application settings. Is there some way? Firefox ESR, Mozilla Firefox. Really? It doesn't show any title for me to like differentiate it? Damn, that's pretty annoying. What? How the fuck do I make a window rule for this then? Okay, maybe there's something else here that we can get. So what do we have here? We have window types, browser role. Yeah, nothing really. And that's all the window matching. All other stuff are, I guess, actions. That's strange. Really? Really? Damn, that's kinda terrible. Not gonna lie. Okay, well, in that case, let's just move it manually. And I also have chat open on my phone, so if you leave a message, I will see it. So don't worry about that. Okay, well, let's go to here and to Rust. Actually, yesterday I think I might have started this on stream, I probably have. Or maybe not, I don't remember. Basically, now it's done. Isn't that amazing? Let's open a new window, move it to the 4th desktop, move there, and open a VS Code window here. First of all, I want to show it off, how things work, and also I might catch like small underworks that I should work on. It's a very good idea to revisit a project the following day once your mind clears and all that. And I might also publish it, but I'm not sure, since it's not really supposed to be like a good usable program. There is no configuration. You just have to change the files and compile yourself, which is not amazing. So that it's hyper specific. Now let me actually show off what it even is here. Where do we, okay, so in dot files we have some changes. So let's go to dot files. And now, as you can see, there is exclamation mark 3, which means there are 3 modified but unstaged files here. If we git add something like prompt, for example, now there is 1 stage change. If we create a new file, here it is, a new file. And if we stage it, a new staged file. The program does that by taking in get status-s and parsing it. And then it prints this whole thing. So it's like running get status on every single thing. Which you might have seen in other terminal shell prompts. But usually they don't separate new files staged and overall files staged. And I think it's a pretty nice separation, pretty useful one. Yeah, so this is what my program does. Let me now show you how you actually call it. Like this. Well, first of all, you should probably check if it's even there. So this is where the command actually starts. You call actus get status, then you pass get status -s as a string. So if it's empty, it's going to be an empty string. At least that's what's supposed to be the case. And then you also pass the number of commits that you have yet to push. Question: how the fuck do you provide that number? Like, how would you know as the user? Well, I have my own thing for that called GSP that basically does that. It git logs the commits that I haven't yet pushed, and then I use wc-l to count that number of lines. So all this input is just expected of the user, which, if you think about it, is not that great. It's not that usable. Sure, I could tell you to like copy my this function, which by the way won't necessarily, seriously? Wow. I think it's a curse. I think it's literally a curse. Pff, wow, I'm more surprised. I'm offended, actually. I mean, I imagine you can hear that. Would be surprised if you couldn't. Well, sorry about that, I guess. Well, sure, let's continue then. Right, so this is way too much input for this to be a reasonably usable program by others. And I don't really intend to make it into something bigger. I just wanted something for myself to use. And then maybe the reason why this is called Actusi to begin with, I thought it didn't take in dashes as a word. Yeah, so Actusi, the parent name of the program, is me potentially rewriting my entire shell prompt in Rust. And get status is just saying basically, oh, this is just a sub part of this future parent program. So considering that, I don't think I'm gonna release it really. Like, no tags, no releases, no nothing, because it's already annoying enough to use. It might as well be annoying enough to install, right? Like, if you're really interested in getting something like what I'm currently having, then you probably already know how to use it, more or less. Or literally, you can, like, ask me on Discord. I'll help you out in, like, setting it up. Yeah, so I'm not really going to make it a full-on usable program. But there is something that I thought of that I should change. And I'll go through the code and files and see if maybe there are more things that I want to be different. First of all, status is required, meaning if get status is like false, if it doesn't return anything, it has to become an empty string, which can potentially be annoying to do properly, or it's easy to forget. While it doesn't really take me much to make it like on the Rust side. I just make this an option, I think. And I do the null checks somewhere, I guess. Parse status. Okay, so somewhere here. I don't know. Oh, here it is. So, if arg's status is sum, then we do this this thing. You know what? I'm like remembering the Jorma clip where somebody basically said, oh, is your like house under construction? It's annoying. And he went full into the bed. He just turned on like 3 different YouTube videos with construction sounds, made himself very quiet, and continued on the stream like that, which is hilarious. And I watched that clip for surprisingly long. Okay, so now we can pass not just an empty string as get status, but also pass nothing. And in that case, we just don't parse status because we know that it's empty and everything is 0. But since unpushed commits can still be not 0, well, here we go. There's still an error somewhere. Right. Fuck, I find it annoying that this I can't no longer close by pressing escape, which is strange, and I should probably change it. Right, so yeah, I guess I just unwrap status because we already checked for is sum, so this is only ever called if status is already sum. However, interesting. Cannot move out of arc status, which is behind the shared reference. Really? I'm just unwrapping here. What? That's crazy. Ah, because I'm fucking changing the type. Well, okay, let's try to unwrap it. What did it say? As a matter of fact, we might as well, like, turn on bacon. What? Oh, fuck. In the same, yeah, like, obviously. And go to the stack layout. Okay. Arc status moved due to this method call as ref. Or as mutable. We don't need it to be mutable, I don't think. Interesting. It takes itself. Wild. Is it okay for us to use as ref or something? Is there like a better option of doing this? I could just discard it, like, whatever, if you don't specify an empty string, like, fuck off. But I don't think that's fair. Yeah, I don't think that's fair. Okay, so in that case, sure. Let's just as ref. It fucking replaces as ref. And what did we just do? Unwrap. Okay. So now you can actually pass nothing, if I understand correctly. Like, not even an empty string, but literally nothing. I don't believe that though. So let's cargo build release and this whole entire fucking command. Now let's go to here and remove string collect. So now this will just give an empty line instead of an empty string. It should actually even be more efficient, interestingly enough. Wait, what? That's strange. Why is it unexpected? We provide status, but I guess we don't. I guess we don't. Damn, like, why now? I don't get it. I don't get it. They could have fucking done it when I slept. I would be more fine with that than fucking doing construction work when I'm streaming. Like, that's so annoying. I guess if we provide nothing to status, it's not recognized, and then it ends up... No, wait. No, that's not what's happening. Wait, yeah, in that case, why the fuck is it unexpected? I guess because it's expecting a string anyway. Yeah, it's expecting a string anyway, whether or not it's empty. So we still need string collect, but at least we can remove -a if we wanted to. I guess that's the feature. Say we go here. I mean, it works. It didn't used to. Now you don't need -a. You probably still should use it, I think. But you don't need it. Wow, what a cool feature. It's so, like, small, I guess. Yeah, well, basically now, all you have to do is provide a string. Even if it's empty. Strange, but okay, let's commit that. You don't need -a and string collect anymore. I'm not sure how to explain it better than this, because I'm not quite sure of the behavior that I just implemented. Okay, well, aside from that, let's go through the program and see what it actually does. Okay, so first of all, we parse arguments, we get arguments. We pass arguments into from, so we can get a blank, actually not blank. Yeah, not blank, but filled out stats from our arguments. Then, if stats are, like, correct at the very least, we colorize the strings. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the project now. Actually, no, just the window. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to do. It's getting incredibly hot and there's construction, so I don't feel like continuing to stream. Least chaotic streamer. So, goodbye, I guess.